All right, YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Got another V8 swapped S10 for you. I think this one is a 93. It's got a 350 in it, long tubes into Flowmasters, power steering, which is nice. A lot of people leave that out on these trucks. See if I can put this fancy hood prop down. Get our pins back in. We'll fire it out, take it for a spin. Truck runs great. Has a Hurst quarter stick in it, Weld wheels, little traction bars underneath it. Really kind of sleepery. Flowmasters sound good. I'm sure it'll probably fire up for us real easy. It does have a fuel cell on the bed. They put a little cover on it. You just move it whenever you go to fill it up. Interior looks good. Could use like those little dry rubber seals, but I think you get a whole set of those for 80 bucks or something, inner and outer. Haven't tried lights yet. Looks like they came on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, lights, yeah. Goes reverse. And drive. And if you're looking for a truck that's a little bit nicer, I think that white one is a 91 with a 355 in it, a little bit more power. Got a drag race motor in that one. But I think it's $11,995, and this one's half of that, $59.95 if I'm not mistaken. But that truck has its own video as well. So if you'd like to see that truck, just click our other videos on the walk around playlist. I'm sure it's near the top, should be near this one. Or you can just buy both. We'll do buy one, get one full price. You can have a little Othello action, white and black together. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Like and subscribe. All the other stuff YouTube people beg you to do. And we'll see you next time.